the runner-up, Maria Ahtisa Manalo! Yes, everyone! Capture this moment. Congratulations, Ahtisa. And here you go, flowers for you. There you go. Please, parating naman ang mga cheers. Can we say Ahtisa? Ahtisa! There we go. A big round of applause for our queen. Come on. Well, first and foremost, it's only been, I think, a month and a half since we sent you off to Thailand to compete, and now you're back, victorious and as beautiful as ever. Yeah. Ahtisa, we just want to ask, how does it feel to be home in the Philippines?
Static!
I was very excited to be home. Kasi alam ko na whatever happens in Thailand, isa-celebrate niyo ako pag-uwi.
There you go, and we're going to keep this short and quick. We just want to ask a message for your supporters, for the youth, and basically for all the people who believe and support you since day one. What do you want to tell them?
Of course, maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyong suporta. Alam ko marami sa inyo since 2018 nakasuporta na sa akin. Nakakataba po ng puso na hanggang ngayon, kahit anong tahakin ko sa aking buhay, nakasuporta kayo. So maraming salamat po. May mga, alam ko, may mga nag-sick leave pa, umabsent pa. Maraming salamat. Appreciate ko po lahat ng support nyo.
There you go. Para naman natin, Miss Ahtisa Manalo. And now, of course, this parade is brought to you by SM Mall of Asia. And here to give their flowers. Okay. Here to give their flowers, may we please call on up front Miss Aliyah Salazar from SM Mall of Asia. Palapakan naman, ladies and gentlemen.
Pupunta sa doon. Ahtisa, big card ko! Ahtisa! Pupunta sa baba.
SMOA staffs for a quick photo up here up front. SMOA staffs, please. Since we are very much proud of you, Ahtisa, we have a little surprise courtesy of our partner, Wuling Philippines. With that being said, may we call on here up front Ms. Shamsi Susuk and Mr. Lloyd Lee. Thank you so much, Wuling Philippines. I think, is that a brand new car? That's a brand new car from Wuling Philippines. Wow, thank you so much, Ms. Shamsi Susuk and Sir Lloyd Lee, for that very generous award. Thank you so much, everyone. And I think that concludes our small program here. Please give yourselves a big round of applause. Congratulations, Ahtisa!